Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jazzy and I like to review wigs. I'm gonna put some lips on.
Yeah, let's get it. The Rexo. Hey, she already know we coming, man. Let's get it.
It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get flyed in this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Gave that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip.
So now that I have my lips on, I am back with another hair review. Now we're gonna review some hair from Wonder Girl hair or something like that. And it will be in the description box below. I'm pretty sure it's Wonder Girl hair. I got it from Amazon Prime. Ooh, I should do a Amazon Prime hair series. That would be great. I'm gonna skip to after I open this. This is when it came in. It actually came early. It was supposed to come Monday, but today is Sunday and it came early. I was so surprised and I was so happy, to say the least. So it just says Wonder Girl hair. It's 22 inch and 150 density. This cost me, I'm pretty sure, like under $150. So this is cheap. Okay, I'm talking cheap. 22 inches, really, and a whole wig, 13 times 6. Okay, this is what the box looks like on the inside. A tiny little clippy. An elastic band, legit perfect for a glueless wig. And some wig caps in black that I probably won't be using unless I run out of wig caps. And then there's a thank you card. That's it. So I just went shopping. I got just a couple things to help me make my wigs look better. Like, I know you guys see my wigs. Like, look at this.
I'm very sorry and I apologize.
Like, look at this. This is not slayed.
You better stop!
This is not, like the camera, honestly, it doesn't look good on camera, but it looks better on camera than it does in real life. And this hair is, like, tingly and stiff. But it's also synthetic. It comes in this really big resealable bag. That's great because I can reuse it, and it's actually huge, so pretty sure I can fit more than one wig in there. Comes in this net, as always. You guys know how it is. This is the wig. It is soft. This is a natural color. This is a straight wig. These are the ends. It smells like beauty supply store hair, but here's the inside. It's supposed to be a 13 times 6. It has a little lace in the back, so you can put it in a ponytail. And it has 4 combs, 1 in the back, 3 on the, like, where the tracks start. Honestly, does that look like 6 inches? I don't want to say nothing about that. I don't remember it saying anything about being pre-plucked, but this is not pre-plucked. You're gonna have to put in work, but it was a very cheap wig. It's not tangling. All wigs shed. I got 1 hair. What really matters is how it's gonna hold up in the future. So I'm going to customize this wig. I'm going to put it on my head and I'm going to be back and tell you what this wig put me through. Stay tuned and I'll see you in like 1 second. I'm back with the hair done. I know it's not looking like the best.
Nope.
But I'm out of practice, like I said.
Absolutely
Wrong.
true.
The hair is really soft. It's not thin in my opinion. And there was a lot of plucking that needed to be done. Like, honestly, I could have done it more, but I didn't. I'm not really good with doing baby hairs. I did the bald cap method, but I did really lazily and I didn't have all the materials I needed. I know you guys see those flyaways. Those were everywhere. I tried my best to lay them down, but that was the best I can do. So far installing it, I haven't had a lot of problems other than plucking it a lot. And I needed to tint my lace or something, but I didn't tint it because I didn't have any lace tint, so I just put foundation on it. Ooh, that's just hot. That's just hot. Ooh, that shit is hot. Okay guys, that is not how you flat iron. Do not do that. It is coronavirus outside and we're all supposed to stay inside. Okay, so I just flat ironed the hair and like really lazily because it's the middle of the night and I'm not going anywhere. This wig, I'm not sure if y'all can see this flow, like she is not stiff at all. Like she's not stiff. She is giving me body, she's giving me life.
Psych!
Like she's just giving me all the life that I need for the price. Look how long this is. It goes past my butt and then you can kind of like put it like this if you do the lace in the back. If you do the lace in the back like that, like you can even have your hair up, which is like super cool. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. I really enjoyed working with this hair. It's really flowy, it's really nice. I hope you enjoyed my video and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Put on that notification bell and follow my lit Instagram and my private. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Catch you later. Bye.